welcome back to my K-pop tutorial video. Today we're gonna do Galaxy Supernova by Girls' Generation. This is actually my favorite and the first song that I taught K-pop back to 5 years ago when I was in Japan. We actually went through last week in my K-pop workshop in Arizona and it was so much fun. So today we're all gonna learn together. Please post your dance video with a hashtag K-pop with Rina so that I can see and share on my story. Alright, let's begin. Alright, so first we're gonna start from here. Boom. Alright, so stand up straight and we're gonna take a left arm. We're gonna make a big circle on the back. You're gonna step on left as well. Boom. And then bend your right knee inward. Open. Here we go. After this, you're gonna take your right elbow and left knee and hit. Here we go. Just boom, punch, ha. And then you're gonna flip your right hand next to your head and pause. You're gonna still keep bending your right knee, but flip it. One more time. Now, step, hit, and flip. Alright, in a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. After this, we're gonna go boom, 1. Add a chest accent, backward, boom, in, ha. And then you're gonna make a big circle on your arms, twice. After this, extend your arms, circle, circle. Each time, you're gonna put your weight on your toes so that you can twist, twist. Your knees go to the right and right. Here we go. From the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Circle, circle, left. After the circle, circle, you're gonna take to the left. Extend your left arm. Now you're gonna shift the weight to the right and put your hands behind your head. Now again back to the left and then cross your arms. And then you're gonna make a number 1 pose. Here we go. Bend your knees, put your weight on the right. Make index on your right hand. Left hand is on top of your right arm. Here we go. And then you're gonna take your neck to the left and in. Yes, when you back to the center with your neck, you can also put your left foot to the right. Out, in. After this, boom. Now, circle, circle to the left, head, cross, number 1, ha, ha. In a count from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and after that, you're gonna take your hip up, bend your knees and hip all the way up. You're gonna use your hands as well to slide your hands. Now take your right knee and extend your right arm as well. Your left hand is on top of your right arm. And then step down, flip. So one more time. Hip up, knee, and flip. So that you can go left, right. You're gonna move your hip to the left and right. And then up. From here, you're gonna take your hands up. Put your hands together, open your hands, take your left leg up, and then you're gonna just walk, tap, 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 just one count, tap, tap, tap. And then you're gonna go down, hip up, and down, push in. This move, don't forget to use your fingers, but entire time you're just gonna move your fingers like da-da-da-da. Here we go. First you're gonna go all the way down, and then on 4 you're gonna take your hip up. Here we go. And then the next one, you're gonna bring your hands up to your chest and then push in. So from here, in, circle, circle, left, head, cross, number 1. Now hip, knee, and flip. Now hip left, right, up. After that, walk, 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 and down. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Hip, da-da-da-da-da. And push in. After that, you're gonna go tap, 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 tap. Just tap your chest. Use your head accent as well. You're gonna slightly face to the right. Tap, 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 tap. And then extend your right leg, cross. Now, step in, step, cut. after this, hip up, push in. Now wave, tap, 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 leg, cross. Now right, left, right, clap. Your legs is gonna be just right, left, right, up. You're gonna add your wave as well. Chest, hip, chest, hip. The last one, you're just gonna shift way to the left and then clap your hands. Take your left leg as well. Alright, so now we are halfway. Let's start from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Head, cross, number 1, and hip, leg, and flip. Now left, right, up, down, and hip, down, and push in. Tap, 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 leg, cross. Now right, left, right, clap. Here we go. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, circle, circle, left, head, cross, number 1, hip, leg, and flip. Now left, right, up, down, and hip, down, and push in. Tap, 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 leg, cross, step in, step, clap. After this, we're gonna take your hands in front of your belly. Your left hand is up, your right hand is down. We're gonna walk da, 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 da. So your hands is gonna be left, right, left, right, left. But your legs just left, right, left, right. So you're gonna walk 4 steps and then you're just gonna move your hands da, 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 da. At the same time, left, right, da, da, da. And then you're gonna take both of your hands like this. Your right hand is up first and we're gonna go clang, clang. And then open your arms, clap, pull, one. Here we go. From here, left, right, left, right, left, clang, clang, open, clap, pull, one. In the lyrics, they are saying that you are the center of the room, or it's just a straight translation, but it means more like you got the spotlight. So when you do this, imagine that there are lots of people watching you and you become an idol. So one more time from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left, right, left, and cling, cling, clap, pull, open. This part is gonna be a little bit fast. So in the count, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then again, we're gonna go back here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. After that, you're gonna face to the right. Take your right heel off, bend your right knee, and you're just gonna take your hip all the way back. You're gonna slide your hands on the pants as well. View. Just like this. It says tight hip line, looks like, blah, blah, blah. So just show your hip. There we go. You're gonna face back, and hands on your hip, you're gonna tap, 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 tap. Either way is fine. You're just gonna tap, 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 tap. And then after that, we're gonna go tap, tap, right, tap, tap, left, tap, tap, right, tap, tap, down. This move, first, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, up to your hip, tap, tap, left, tap, tap, right. Use your arms as well, tap, tap, left, tap, tap, right, tap, tap, left, tap, tap, right. So, we're gonna start from right, tap, tap, right, tap, tap, left, tap, tap, right, and then hands down. We're gonna go 4 times. So first we are facing back. After this, we're gonna face the right by doing this. And then next, we're gonna face front. Keep facing front. And then you're gonna face right. Bring your hands down. Okay, one more time. Hip, hip, hip. Now, tap, tap, right, tap, tap, left, tap, tap, right, tap, tap, right. And then after that, you're gonna put your arms on top of your head, just like this. And then jump, jump, left, jump, jump, left. Jump, jump, left leg up, jump, jump, left leg up, and then again, right, left, right, clap. And that's it. Alright, so one more time from here. Hip, hip, hip. Now that, right, that, left, that, right, that, down, and up, that, left, and right, left, right, clap. Alright, so let's start from here. Second half. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left, right, left. Now clean, clean, clap, boom. Left, right, left, right, left. Now tight hip wide and tap, tap, tap. Now that, right, that, left, that, right, that, down, and left, now right, left, right, clap. Alright, let's start from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, 2, 3, left, head, cross. Number 1, hip, leg, and flip. Now left, right, up, down, and hip, down, and push in. Tap, 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 leg, cross, right, left, right, clap. Now left, right, left, right, left. Now clean, clean, clap, pull, left, right, left, right, left. Now tight hip wide, tap, tap, tap. Now tap, tap, right, tap, left, tap, right, tap, down, and up, and up. Now right, left, right, clap. Alright, let's do it in a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hip, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, good job guys, and thank you so much for dancing with me. In case if you want to learn any K-pop dance moves in person, I have a weekly K-pop dance workshop on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 8 to 9 p.m. in Arizona. So if you are living here or if you have any opportunities to come out here, please feel free to join us. I'm also personally planning to host this K-pop dance workshop not only in Arizona but also in other states or even in other countries as well. So if you're watching this video and if you have any ideas where I should go and host this workshop, please feel free to leave some comments and let's make it happen. Alright, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!